Deep beneath the ocean's surface, there's a world where the rules of nature, as we know them, simply don't apply. Imagine a place with no sunlight, ever. The pressure is so crushing, it would instantly flatten a car. The water is near freezing. It's a place that should be completely barren, a lifeless desert. But it's not. Against all odds, life survives here. In fact, it thrives in ways that seem to break the very laws of physics and biology. These are the creatures of the deep sea, the aliens of our own planet. And today, we're diving into their world to uncover how they defy everything we thought we knew about life. Welcome to the Midnight Zone. Down here, darkness is permanent. Sunlight can't penetrate these depths, which means photosynthesis is impossible. No plants can grow, so the entire food chain has to get creative. With limited food and scarce oxygen, you'd think life would be sparse. But instead, the deep sea is teeming with creatures that have evolved abilities straight out of science fiction. They've developed glowing bodies to attract prey or communicate in the endless night, a phenomenon called bioluminescence. Their bones are flexible, almost like cartilage, allowing them to withstand pressure that would shatter our own skeletons. Even their internal organs are designed to function under forces that would crush a military submarine. They haven't just adapted to this hostile environment. They've completely rewritten the rulebook for survival. This is where things get truly strange. Some of the bodies you find down here are unlike anything on the surface. Take the barreleye fish, for example. It has a transparent head, and its eyes are located inside, looking straight up through its own skull to spot the silhouettes of prey above. It literally sees through its own forehead. Then there's the vampire squid, a living fossil that isn't a squid or an octopus. It thrives in an area of the ocean with almost no oxygen, a dead zone where most other animals would suffocate in minutes. How? Its blood has a special protein that grabs onto oxygen molecules with incredible efficiency. Other creatures have transparent skin, making them practically invisible, their organs on full display. Many have no eyes at all, yet they can sense the faintest vibrations in the water with pinpoint accuracy, hunting in total darkness as if they had perfect vision. These aren't just adaptations, they are biological impossibilities made real. The survival powers of these animals are even more mind-bending. We're talking about depths where the pressure is over 1,000 times greater than at the surface. At these depths, air-filled spaces, like our lungs, would collapse instantly. But many deep-sea creatures don't have those. Their bodies are soft and gelatinous, composed mostly of water, which is nearly incompressible. So, the immense pressure outside is matched by the pressure inside, and they feel nothing. They've effectively made the pressure irrelevant. To deal with the scarcity of food, some can slow their metabolism down to almost zero, entering a state of suspended animation for months or even years until a meal drifts by. Others possess incredible regenerative abilities. The black smoker snail can repair its shell in an environment filled with toxic chemicals and heat. Scientists are still trying to understand how these animals can regenerate tissue and heal from injuries in a way that seems to defy cellular biology. What's truly astonishing is that we barely scratch the surface. Scientists estimate that over 80% of our oceans, particularly the deep sea, remain completely unexplored. It's the last great frontier on our own planet. Every single expedition that sends a submersible down into the abyss discovers something new species, new behaviors, and new biological systems that challenge our understanding of life itself. The deeper we go, the weirder it gets, and the more the familiar rules of nature seem to fade away, replaced by something far more mysterious and complex. The creatures we've found so far are just a glimpse into a hidden world that operates on a different set of principles. The deep sea isn't just an unexplored habitat, it's a misunderstood one. It's a realm where life has evolved beyond what we consider logical or possible. These creatures are living proof that nature's imagination is far wilder than our own. They show us that no matter how extreme the conditions, life doesn't just find a way, it finds a way to be spectacular. Thank you for watching. If you were as amazed by these deep-sea marvels as I am, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more journeys into the unknown. See you next time.